President of a mansion with halls I'd never mention and rooms that I don't think I've ever seen. Skeletons in the closet.
Another day, another sleigh. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Going Solo Diaries, episode 11. Holy crap, we're on episode 11 already. This morning, I am on my way. I can't believe I'm actually getting this done today. I'm on my way to go get laser hair removal for the first time down there. Yeah, I thought I would document it because I share so much of my life on the internet. Might as well share this. I'll tell you guys everything. The pain level, what to expect, yeah, the whole shebang. I've also got a regular school day today, so right now it's 9 in the morning. My first class for today starts at 12, so I've got a while. I definitely want to make this vlog about exploring downtown, maybe trying a new coffee shop. I don't know, just like seeing what is in the town that I live in. And I feel like I've explored a lot of Boise already. I love just walking downtown, trying out new restaurants and stuff. I've gone to eat at some really cool places with some girlfriends here. I love doing stuff alone too, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. Yesterday, I wrote a song for my boyfriend and I recorded it and posted it the same day. I feel like I'm so weird because it takes me so long to get in the groove of writing a song again, but when I write it, I finish it in an hour and then I just post it. Like, I had a little bit started and then I just finished the whole thing yesterday and was like, I'm gonna record it because if I don't record it now, I'm never gonna record it. So I posted it, poured my heart out on the internet, and Drew's reaction was literally the cutest thing ever. He was crying. Maybe I'll post on the internet. Do y'all want me to post that? Ew, what in the... That is disgusting. I don't know what that is. Sorry. I just got back from my laser appointment and I need to fill you guys in on how that just went because that was absolutely insane. Basically, it went very well. It also happened really quickly, literally 10 o'clock right now, and my appointment was at 9:30. So I went to OM Med Spa. I think it's either that or Med Spa. Val was the one that did my laser today. She is so easy to be comfortable around, especially like if you're getting the whole area down there lasered, like you want to be comfortable with the person doing it. She's so nice and friendly, and it's really clean and like professional there. So if you're in the Boise area, 10 out of 10 would recommend going there. I'll let you guys know as sessions go on. You want to have 4 weeks in between sessions, and typically people do like 6 sessions. That's like the average. Today's session was really fast. Definitely not as painful as getting waxed down there. It honestly feels like intense heat and like somebody plucking your hair. Like imagine getting your eyebrows plucked, imagine that, but like the tool is hot. And it covers a lot of area too because the tool itself is pretty big. But yeah, I was like squeezing a medicine ball and stuff, and it was a really good experience. I'm glad I did it, and I'm excited to do the rest of the sessions during winter because you don't have to wear swimsuits, obviously. I have a little bit of downtime, so I'm gonna do some work right now. I have a brand deal that I need to send over. It was due on Saturday and I'm slacking. So I think I might go to a yoga class at the rec center at my college campus. Today's lunch, we've got a little taco salad deal. So I've got lettuce on the bottom, ground beef, black beans, and then some cheese on top. Okay, I'm grabbing an Alani Nu today. Oh wait, no, I literally have one in the fridge. Hold on. Alani Nu sent over their witch's brew flavor, so I'm gonna try it today. I have not had their energy drink yet, but I'm very, very excited. Okay, let's go to class. Let's actually learn. Just got back from school and I'm making dinner right now. Y'all, I am a MF chef. I made chicken, some marinara sauce, and then this pumpkin ravioli from Trader Joe's. But the chicken's cooking right now. But anyways, I got a fun package in the mail. This is like the most random mix of foods, but it just makes sense to me because I love all of this. Can't help falling in love. Wednesday and I have school about an hour. I'm packing up my stuff right now and I'm gonna go to this little cute bakery coffee shop place called Certified Bakery. It's on the north end of Boise and I've been there one time with my friend KK, but I got a chia seed pudding, so that was kind of like a breakfast thing, but I want to grab something for lunch. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I've got to tell you guys about the morning I've had because it has just been such a great day. Very, very thankful for life right now. This morning I went on the best walk ever. My new sunglasses that I ordered from Key finally came and I am just in love with them. Didn't think it was possible to love a pair of sunglasses so much, but I do. I got 2 miles in today on my walk, and then I also got a chance to call my dad and talk to him, which was very nice because I have not been able to communicate with my parents as much as I've wanted to. It's not me just not wanting to talk to them at all, but managing college and school and friendships has just been a lot, and I am like not complaining because I'm very, very fortunate for the life that I have, that I'm even able to get an education, but it is very hard doing a full-time job and also going to college. That's kind of one of those things that is always funny to me because I cannot even tell you how many people have asked me, why are you even going to college if you already have a job? Like, you don't need to do it. And this is not me shaming YouTubers or influencers who decide not to go to college, but personally for me, I know that I'm not gonna put all my eggs in one basket and just bet on social media to keep me afloat and stuff. And so that's why I am also getting a degree. College has been one of those things that I think is very important. It's just something that I know has always been meant for me to do and go through. I'm gonna give you guys some updates about what has been going on in Boise and life here. But there have been very bad fires here and the air quality has been not good. So I couldn't go on my daily walks for like 4 days, I wanna say, praying for all of the people affected by the fires. I know a lot of faculty and students had to move out of their apartments near campus, so definitely praying for them. Air has finally cleared out. I loved going on my walk this morning. I just feel so stress relieved whenever I do those things. Same thing with music. I recently posted a song that I wrote for my boyfriend and the response has been so kind on that. It's been a long time since I've written and produced on my YouTube channel. So I just got this tuna Nicoy salad. So excited. It's like a vinegar dressing. There's beans, olives, eggs, and then the tuna. And then I also got some candles, but I'll show you guys that. Y'all, it is gorgeous outside. It feels amazing too. And I'm so excited to eat my salad, but I'm running a little bit late, so definitely need to hurry. So, really quick before I've got to go to class. I don't know if I'll be able to eat my salad before I go to class or after, but got the goods. This lid is not on correctly. A little, and then I got a candle and a little candle accessory from Lit & Co candles. They hand pour their candles. It smells amazing. So I got this little wick cutter, which is like perfect for cutting candle wicks. Then I got an amazing smelling pumpkin candle. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen, but it literally smells amazing. Oh shit, I gotta hurry up or else I'm gonna be late. I am leaving right now, gonna go to class. And then hopefully sometime today I want to be able to eat my food, so yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys later, bye. Just got home from school and made myself a turkey and cheese sandwich, and now I'm on my way to Bible study. The school day was very good today. Honestly, I cannot believe that the weeks have just flown by. I don't know. I can't believe we're already at like week 4. It's absurd. You guys, I just got out of my Bible study and I'm back at home, but I have to show you what we made before we did our actual Bible study. First off, there were so many yummy desserts and treats from Trader Joe's. Also, there was candy corn, and I love candy corn. We made flower bouquets in these little mason jars. So this is what mine turned out. I'm obsessed with it. This is so me. But anyways, yeah, Bible study was really good. We talked about Genesis today. I feel like every Bible study starts off with Genesis, which makes sense because like that's the beginning of the Bible. I've got a lot of homework to do tonight, so gotta do that. Also, I can't wait to get in my pajamas because I've just been in this outfit all day and it's comfy, but there's nothing like being in your pajamas. Just packaged 2 Poshmark orders for the night, and these are gonna go out first thing tomorrow. I'm doing laundry right now, and I've got my pumpkin candle burning from Home Goods. It smells divine. And then as you guys saw, I've got a kettle on the stove. I'm gonna be having some yummy tea tonight. Really quick, I'm going to take off my makeup because yeah, I'm gonna do my homework and I just want my face to feel clean. I don't think I've done a get unready with me in my bathroom yet, so hello. I'm taking off my makeup right now. Usually I use my micellar water, but I ran out of my cotton pads, so this is what we're using. Before I do that, I'm gonna put my hair in these clips. Keep it all back. Okay. Let me know how y'all are doing in the comments. How has your day been? How has starting school, whether it be college, high school, middle school, how has that been? We're a month in from the beginning of school and I just feel like this year is gonna fly by. What do you guys think? Next week, Drew is coming up and I'm so excited because he's coming up for his birthday. We're gonna have the best time. I've already got a whole itinerary planned of what I want us to do. For my cleanser, I'm using the Arbonne Silky Cleanser. This is literally so smooth and soft on my face. For a while, I was breaking out. I don't know why I was breaking out. Probably because I got off of birth control and my hormones are like getting back to what they were. But this just makes my face clear. Oh, Drew's mom just texted me. I love getting texts from her. Okay, now is my least favorite part. It's taking out my contacts. I do not like taking out my contacts because I feel like I'm poking my eyeballs. Maybe I should wait till my hands are a little bit more dry. So while my hands are getting dry, let me show y'all the moisturizer I use. I've been using the Caudalie Cream Moisturizer for the past 2 months, I want to say. Maybe even 3 months. I feel like I'm almost done with the big jar. But it is the best moisturizer ever. Get it. You will not regret it. Okay, contacts are out. Now for moisturizer. See, look, that's all that's left. So I scoop it on the back of my nail because if you have nails, you know the struggle. Everything just gets stuck under it. Then we'll do a quick little gua sha to the face. Tonight, I've got math homework and data analysis homework. So much fun. And then last but not least, we're gonna use the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And this stuff, I sprayed this on Drew whenever we were in Colorado. He liked the way that it smelled. Makes you feel so fancy, I swear.